This is for class 10, the further topic of ratio proportion. If ratio A is to B, written as A square is to B square, we call duplicate ratio. Now, then if you write A cube is to B cube, the same thing, then it is called triplicate. If square root of both the components A and B, then it is called subduplicate. If you do cube root of both components A and B, it is called subtriplicate. If you multiply two ratios, then the product is called compounded ratio. If proportion A is to B is equal to C is to D, if two ratios are equal, we call proportion. Then D is called fourth proportional. In A is to B equals to B is to C, that is B square equals to AC, also we can write this. B is called mean proportional, C is called third proportional. And if you write ratio this way, it is called continued ratio. Now there are certain properties of proportion to simplify complex fractions. Like number one, if A is to B is equal to C is to D, then we can write B is to A equals to D is to C, inverted both sides, invertendo. Like that, if A is to B equals to C is to D, then you can interchange C and B. B can go in C's place, C can come in B's place, alternando. If A is to B equals to C is to D, you can add numerator denominator like this. A plus B upon B equals to C plus B upon D by adding 1 both sides. Componendo. Like that, if you minus, we call dividendo. Then if you combine both, if A is to B equals to C is to D, then if you divide both, then you get A plus B upon A minus B equal to C plus D upon C minus D. Componendo and dividendo together. So here numerator plus denominator, numerator minus denominator, one side. Another side also same thing. Numerator plus denominator, numerator minus denominator. So you have to do both sides. You can't do only one side. So these are the properties that you have to apply in the following sums. Some of you are not doing the sums.